Understanding Book Reservation, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, book reservation. This is a common phrase you might encounter in everyday situations, especially when dealing with libraries or planning your travels. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. Book reservation refers to the process of arranging in advance to have a book set aside for you. This is commonly done in libraries or bookstores. When you reserve a book, it means that the book is kept for you to borrow or buy at a later time. This is particularly useful for popular books that many people want to read or for planning your reading in advance. You can make a book reservation at most libraries and some bookstores. To do this, you usually need to provide your details and the title of the book. This can often be done online, over the phone, or in person. It's important to note that in some cases, there might be a waiting list, especially for very popular books. Let's look at some examples of how to use book reservation in sentences. 1. I made a book reservation at the library for the latest novel by J.K. Rowling. 2. Can you check if my book reservation is ready for pickup? 3. There's a long waiting list, but I've put in a book reservation for that bestseller. These sentences show how book reservation can be used in everyday conversation. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, book reservation. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your English language journey. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations can greatly help in mastering their usage. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.